You're listening to Simwaton from businesssupport.online.net. In Recipe 83, you will learn how to create an InfoPath form that can add an event to a SharePoint calendar and check whether there are any other events already booked in the time slot you selected. Here I'm in SharePoint 2010 on a site with a calendar that currently contains 2 events. As you can see, there is a team lunch on August the 22nd from noon to 2 p.m. and there is a 2-day event that's taking place on the 24th and the 25th of August from 8 a.m. on the 24th to 3 p.m. on the 25th. I'm going to be using an InfoPath form to create and add an event to this calendar. I've already published the InfoPath form template to a SharePoint form library, so if I click on Add Document to add a new form and start filling out the details for my event, let's say I want to add an event that falls on the same day as the team lunch and starts within the time slot of the team lunch, which went on from noon to 2 p.m. When I click on Check Overlapping Events, you'll see this warning appear. One or more events already exist for the time slot you selected. And when I change my start time to be the end time of the team lunch, you'll see that the warning disappears. There was a second event, a 2-day event, starting on the 24th at 8 a.m. and it ended on the 25th at 3 p.m. So if I change my end date to be within the time slot of the 2-day event, you'll see that when I click this button, the warning will appear again. And even if I change my end date to be after, the warning will stay there. So let's say I want to change this to be the 24th at 8 a.m., which is the time the 2-day event would start. You'll see that the warning disappears and I can go ahead and add my event. A workflow will run, and as you can see, it has already completed. So if I refresh the calendar, I should see my event here. Starting at 2 p.m. on the 22nd, ending at 8 a.m. on the 24th.